Great to be back here with you in front of the camera after an incredible couple of weeks. Been off traveling, Las Vegas, Nevada, and then all the way across the country, the East Coast, Maryland. Folks, I have never seen a more incredible group of parents than what I saw over the past couple of weeks. They came excited. They left hopefully with a couple of great strategies. One that I want to make sure I highlight because if I didn't, wouldn't be doing a good service here. Have you connected with your team? And if you haven't, this is the opportunity. And of course, by team, I mean anyone that has the ability to teach, encourage, advocate for, or motivate your child. So put together that team roster and get connected. Send the email, leave the voicemail, go and shake the hand. And of course, you know how I feel about the written thank you notes. So get those out. You still have a couple of days, especially those folks in Maryland I just saw last week. The challenge to you was within 7 days, connect with at least 3 of the folks on your team roster. Such an incredible part of your child's and your really support team over the next couple of years. So a couple of other highlights for you. Really, parents concerned about many of the same things: peer pressure, academic achievement, organization. Those are the big 3. And then, of course, the bullying and the cyberbullying and the drugs and the alcohol. There's all of those issues, which, of course, we're going to cover here on the show. Just wanted to stop in briefly, though, and say hello and thank you once again for a wonderful couple of weeks. Stay tuned. One other quick announcement. Shared this with the folks there in Maryland and in Vegas, but a new place to find me online, Momster. That's not monster, like Momster, M-O-M, like mom, STER.com. A new website brought to you by the folks at parents.com in the Family Circle. I'm going to be the dad contributor to Momster, so look for that in the next couple of weeks. Take care and have a wonderful end to your week.